Alright, what's going on, guys? So I am going to be driving out with Michael to Scottsdale to meet up with Lenny. He has a property that he wants to show me that didn't go according to plan when it came down to the flip. So I hope you guys are ready for another real estate video. Lenny's other flips, so he's an absolute monster, and he's always just having different flips. You could tell that it's staged. One of the things that we first noticed, and Michael pointed out right away, is how beautiful the flooring is. It just, I don't know, it's different, at least for me. You can tell this room, just the lighting is huge. I can already tell what he did here. He raised this, which is a thing that he was doing at the other house to make it look more open. You can see that it has the open skylight. I think Alright guys, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Lenny. I feel like everyone, when I talk about real estate, now everyone just brings you up and stuff like that. Yeah,
which is good.
Yeah, no, now I feel like a little left out, but what's going on, guys? We are here, just like we told you, at the new flip that you're just about to post for sale, right?
That's it.
So you've been, when did you purchase this house? How long ago?
I bought this the last day of April.
Last day of April? Yep. So around May, right?
Yep, May
right now
basically.
is... Altogether, you went in originally for $290, right? Got $2K back because of an unexpected thing that came up as you were about to close on this house, right?
Correct.
When it came down to the plumbing, you fixed it, that covered that expense, and about $50,000 in upgrade. So from $290, you went to $340, and because it turned out better than expected, you plan to sell it for around at least $380 to $390, hopefully $390 because of how it turned out.
That's the hope.
Yeah, and you've been in for it for about 2 months.
Yep.
And then what would you say, how long do you plan to have, do you expect this thing to be for sale?
Well, hopefully it's sold this weekend, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, typically on this house, I would plan about a 30-day on the market and then a 30-day closing. Okay. So we'll have it for about another 60 days altogether.
And you already have someone taking pictures, right?
We do, yeah.
Getting it already, so I see that you have it staged. So altogether, when it comes down to net profit, what would you say? After closing costs, hard money loan fee and stuff like that?
So at 380 puts me somewhere around 25,000 in profit. 390, which is hopefully where I get, puts me like 35,000.
I like that. Not bad for 2 months.
No, it's good.
That's super solid. Yeah, but we're gonna kind of go into a little edit just to show you the different kind of like. I think the best way to word this house is that it has a lot of character. We talked about something with like the back of the house that you wanted to drive a little bit less attention to that. Right. So you did a couple things with the backyard, but also I feel like this house has no question so much more character with the details that were added to it. It makes sense. I thought we were in Tempe, but no, we're in Scottsdale, so pinkies up, guys, pinkies up. Yeah. But yeah, go ahead and transition to the edit, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much. Oh, guys, $200 for Raising Cane's. All right, today's Thursday, so I should be done with it by next week. Appreciate it. Thank you again so much.
Yeah, you got it.
I really do appreciate it. There we go, guys. Oh, this was for the referral. Nick, I appreciate you. Thank you. Buy another one, anyone. We gotta make sure that I keep getting these Raising Cane's.
Exactly, you gotta be able to eat.
Right? Yeah. Oh man, I know. Hey, Michael, you're hungry, right?
Oh, so hungry.
You're starving, yeah. So you know where we're going after this. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching. I want to give a huge shout out to Lenny for inviting us and allowing us to break down this specific deal and what led to his success for the desired profit of at least anywhere from $25,000 to $35,000 for a quick sell. So if you guys don't follow him already but have real estate based questions, feel free to follow him. It's going to be the first link in the description. And again, just make sure that you are considerate when it comes down to the time and the questions that you ask him, that you can't simply Google it. I really do appreciate you guys' time. The second link in the description is going to be for our free Facebook group. We're the largest one out there for those who trade in the stock market. Over 214,000 members. Make sure that you stay connected. Hope we earned your thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And appreciate Lambo Lenny. If only you guys could see his license plate. It's absolutely hilarious. Thank you guys again so much for your time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.